Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, January the 19th, 2022. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. 2 of those I've solved, the 3-star Sudoku and the binary puzzle. So now we have 1 puzzle left, the tectonic. The other puzzle I won't do because it's too much for me, time consuming. So the third and last puzzle I will do is a tectonic with 4 stars, and this will be number 4006. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 13 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. So let's see. Let's get started. And don't forget, for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box. Single box always a 1. Can we see here a dual box? Do we have any dual boxes here in this puzzle? No dual boxes, triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes. Oh, overlooked the dual box. We indeed have a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Okay, triple boxes, no. Quadra boxes then. 1 quadra box, okay. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, okay. Only 1 quadra box, alright. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or construction. For example, we have here the S or the S construction or the Z construction. If you flip this that way, then you have the Z, or mirrored that figure. Yes. All right. We have here the S. Here another S. Let me draw the S here. All right. We have the S figure. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Here another S construction or S figure. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. Overlook this quadra box. The 2 and the 3 is already filled in. So those 2 boxes together, those 2 boxes will be the 1 or a 4. 1 or a 4. Okay, the S figure. Then the following structure or column. How about this figure? Let me draw this here. This figure. Remember, if you see this kind of figure or shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Alright. Here, another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Upside down. Here, another L shape. Let me draw this here. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. Here another one, upside down. So this box, same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes or figures in this puzzle. Only 3 we have here. There are more, I believe there are 6. But in this puzzle we have only 3 figures that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step is easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, but also that box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2, and this Z construction should be here. Okay. Then let me see. Well, this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes because I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, so we also a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1. But also that box cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 in these 2 boxes. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction of the S construction should be here. Alright. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this S-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this S-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Let me see. 2. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. We have here 2 missing numbers. For the numbers 2 and 5. No. 2 and 3, because it's the quadra box. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. It's a quadra box. Okay, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think, don't think too much. Yeah. 3 and 1. Okay. 2, 4, 3, 1, or 5. Well. Thinking. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. The difficult part. Well, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Cannot be a 2. 4, 5 cannot be 3. So 2 or 1. Well, yeah. This box cannot be a 4. Sorry. This box cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Cannot be a 3. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and a 1. And this box is connected with that box. So we have 2 and a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. This box, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be a 3. It's in the same area. Yeah, and it can be 4 or a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. 4 and 5. Yeah. Well. 1, 2, 3. So this box is 4 or 5. 4 or 5. 4, 5. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 1. Okay. So now these two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4. But we already have a 2 there, so it can be a 2. So this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. So 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. So these 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay. Then. Let me see. Well. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. Okay, I think. Well. 2, 1. Come on. You think too long. This box cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. That means that this box cannot be a 4 or a 5. We have a double 4 or a 5 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for the 5. I cannot place the 5 here. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this L shape for number 1. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 70 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, because for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 70 minutes. Publisher, give us a really 4 stars Tectonic, because we like 4 stars. Anyway, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Yeah, just subscribe. Playlists for the Tectonic. Playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet. All kind of playlists I have. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. All those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Another day, another edition with a lot of puzzles. See you then. Bye bye for now.